Uh-oh, we got more crazies yelling after midnight. Some wackadoo just yelled, yo, coming up the street. I think he just said, is that the fucking heat? Like cops. Here, we got another one on the loose, officers. Needs his neck bolts tightened and a shock collar and probably a handler. Just saying. Little Thorazine, little Depakote, whatever he needs. Oh shit. Sound like he just threw a rock. Now he yelled, damn. Oh God, where are the cops? They, like I said, they need to patrol every 15 minutes because something happens every 10 minutes. Here he is. I'm not making this shit up. Ripley wouldn't fall out of his chair not believing it. Is that the heat? Talk about your outdated 70s jargon, huh? It's the fuzz. The fuzz. The heat. Where's this clown at? It sounds like he's under my windows. Sounds like he walked up this way. Oh, there goes the cops. That looked like a cop car. Oh, he's over across the street. Now I see him at the Pollock building. Being a good boy. I think that's him anyway. Somebody walking over there. Well, where'd he go? Sounds like he quieted down and they're sitting down the street a little ways. I don't know if you can see this. See where them twinkle lights are right there? That's where the voices are coming from, down in that area, but past there a little bit. All right, I'm going to pause this until he acts up again. And I'm sure he's going to act up again. Meth does a body good. Here we go again, folks. Not 10 minutes later. Like I said, if the police would patrol every 15, they'd catch some of this action going on. Obviously, these shit birds are sitting outside, so they have to pass them when they do go by, you know. I just seen a cop, like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago. Now they're back out here making noise. I mean, people do work, you know. They sleep for work. I mean, the whole town doesn't work, of course, but they're out here allowed to make noise because, yeah, why not? There's no curfews anymore. There's no loitering, fines for loitering anymore, or trespassing, or congregating in a group. So you can do whatever you want here in Pottstown. Pottstown's full of people like that, and the cops just let them do it. Hear them? I mean, I can hear them over my TV. I'm trying to watch TV, and these two nitwits are out here arguing like Beavis and Butthead. Hey, Beavis. Uh-huh. Meanwhile, I'm being circled by a meth head on a freaking balloon-tired mini bike. He was just out back up in the alleyway tonight, fucking climbing on my roof, trying to fucking peek in my windows. After I hollered at him and told him I was filming all their activities, he jumped down off the roof, and I heard his bike start up and go around the front and go down toward the motel. I don't know if it was Wade Wilkinson and him or just him. Fucking town is full of nuts. I mean, chock full of fucking crazy people. I understand that the cops aren't, wardens or whatever you want to call it, wards, at Penhurst, but man. Well, just because a person's crazy, you can't lock them up. Sure you can. For their own safety and ours too, the townships. Start using some of that officer discretion and put some of these people on the 7th floor for a couple months. And then don't let them come back to town. Ship them out somewhere else. I guarantee you 98% of these people aren't from this town. They weren't born here. They weren't raised here. I guarantee you they're all flocking here. Like, this is some kind of damn mecca for Looney Tunes. Is that a cop? Nope. Well, I guess he shut up for a minute, so I'll pause you again. Down there fucking arguing over who's going to lick the baggie. The baggie's empty. It's ridiculous. Since the Democrats started all this shit, because insane people have rights too, I say gather up 50 and drop them off on the lawn of every Democrat you know. See how they like putting up with the noise and the drugs and the crime. Sounds like a mini dirt bike boy. Recording. That's a good thing. Now, where's the box I had there? What the fuck is this still up for? Now, where's the metal fucking thing I had this shit on? So dirt bike boy just went by. He parked. Sounded like past the Pollock building, maybe at the library or over on this side of Smith Towers. Sorry about that. I knocked everything the hell down out the window trying to hit record. Excuse me. But little bike boy's back. Probably dropping off some drugs, because what are you doing out this late? What could possibly make you come all the way from the motel down by the police station all the way up here to Washington Street? The drug area. Oh, he's not up to no good. Nah, why would he? Sound like he's probably running drugs into the Smith Towers. There's a Mark Jefferson, I think, that lives in there. They say smokes the meth. So he could be doing a run for Scott Ohm. I'm going to pause you again until I hear him start up. He might be so fast that he goes by before I get a chance to hit record, so bear with me. By the way, it is 1:12 in the a.m. on a Friday morning. It's after midnight, so it's Friday, the 25th. It should be the 25th of September, 2025. So there goes another guy on an electric bike. I don't know if he has anything to do with it, but he's out this late too. All right, so there's a daytime and day. Got some more nut jobs walking up and down the street. They're all over. There's across the street. They're here on this side, yelling back and forth. Here he comes. He just started it up. Now he's idling over here somewhere. He just shut it off. Oh, nope. There he comes. So there he goes. That's the guy that's going to get me. He's out to get me. Oh, Jesus, I'm so scared. Picking on a blind guy. What are you going to do? While he's door dashing meth all over town. Maybe he picked a new drug. I don't know.